In this lesson, you'll learn how to use the Spot Healing Brush tool to retouch the photo. Let's right-click on the layer and click Duplicate Layer. Let's rename this layer Retouched and click OK. When we're all done retouching, we can turn the eye off on this layer to see what it looked like before and after. This is where the hard work comes in. In the toolbox, we'll start with the Spot Healing Brush tool. This is the easiest retouching tool in Photoshop. Zoom in to the photo to see all the blemishes. Notice the dark areas here. If we click and drag to brush over them, they disappear. So it's going to take a little while to do this. Go around the image. Press a spacebar with your thumb so you can move around the image. And just try to get all those spots that you think are blemishes. Spacebar to get the move tool. Use that spacebar to move. Spacebar to move. And let's hit all these other spots. Spacebar to move. Let's come down here. Hit some more spots. Let's get some of these areas over here. And let's go down to the bottom. See if there's any other spots here on the wall and down on the floor maybe. Maybe on his hand, on the finger. Let's go over here to this other hand. Let's hit a couple spots there. Let's go on to his pants. There we go. Getting some in there. His other side of his pants. And then there's a spot here on his jacket. This spot here. Let's zoom out by double clicking the hand tool on the toolbar. Turn the eye off to see the before. Turn the eye back on again to see the after. See that? It's looking good so far. All right, so these other areas here are going to be a lot harder to do. You might be able to use the Spot Healing Brush tool. You can try to see if that works first and get as far as you can. And if it doesn't work out, then we'll use another tool called the Clone Stamp tool. This is working pretty good so far. Notice I'm taking short strokes. I'm clicking right before the blemish and making short strokes. Let's do the nose here. Let's do the hair up here. Let's do the lips. Let's do the top of the lip. We don't want to do the bottom of the lip because we don't want the lip to go away. What we can do there is the blur tool. Let's make that tool a little bit smaller and let's blur the top and the bottom of the lip. Zoom out and see what happens. That looks pretty good. So the top of the lip, I can still use the Spot Healing Brush tool. Let's get the top of the lip there. Remove some of that area. This is really difficult. It's really hard. What we could do there is get the Clone Stamp tool. This lesson will continue in the next video.